Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. I will teach you how to download, install and set up Fusion 360 for personal or hobby use for free. First of all, go to your browser and search Fusion 360 Hobbyist. Click on the first result. Now click on Get Fusion 360 for personal use. The sign-in page will open in front of you. If you do not have an account, then click on Create Account. Write your name, email, password. Tick on the Terms and Condition checkbox and then click on Create Account. Now your account is created. Now you have to fill your details again, such as email, your state, PIN code, and how you will use Fusion 360 and which industry you are from. You will see the option of Download Now. Click on it, click on Sign In to activate the account and click on Get Verification Mail. Now a verification mail will come on email. Go to your inbox and open that mail and click on Verify Email. Now your account will be verified. After this, go back to the website and click on Continue next to Already Verified. After clicking on it, choose the folder where you want to save the download and click on Save, so that your software will start downloading. After the download is complete, click on the installer and start the installation. Installation may take a few minutes. After installation, we have to sign in. Click on the Sign In button, which will open a browser window. Enter your email and password there and after login, click on Go to Product, which will open Fusion 360. Click on Next. Now write a name to create your hub. You can name it anything. Then click on Next and click on Create. And finally click on Go to Hub. Now the setup of Fusion 360 will be completed. After setup, a welcome screen will appear and you will be asked what type of workspace you want. Select Design as the workspace and click Next. Then click New Part so you can start a new design. To start, I set the units to millimeters. And I like SolidWorks style navigation, so I changed that too. After closing everything else, press C on the keyboard to activate the circle tool. Click on the center and create a circle. Then click Finish Sketch. Now go to the Solid tab and click Extrude. Drag upwards or type a size. You have downloaded and installed Fusion 360 and created your first design. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment if you have any questions or suggestions. Thanks.